Hi, I am Sunshine and I am here today to share with you one of my life dreams. Ever dream of living in a cozy and sustainable home? Look no further than cob. Cob is a natural building material made from earth, straw, and water. In this video, we'll show you how to build your very own tiny cob house. First things first, planning. Sketch your dream cob house. Cob allows for organic shapes, so get creative. For your tiny house, consider where you want windows for natural light and ventilation. Choose a well-drained location with good sun exposure for passive heating. Remember to check local building codes for cob construction in your area. For a tiny house, a simple foundation like a rubble trench might be enough, but always consult a structural engineer for specific recommendations on your foundation. Now comes the fun part, making cob. Find clay-rich soil and test it for suitability. Mix it with chopped straw and water until it has a stiff dough-like consistency. Traditionally, cob is mixed by foot, but a mortar mixer can be a helpful tool. Building with cob is like sculpting with mud. Start with a small test section to get the hang of it, then build your walls layer by layer, pinching and compressing the cob to form strong bonds. Use your hands and simple tools to create beautiful curves and shapes. Don't forget to install window and door frames as you build. Cob can support a lightweight roof structure made from wood or bamboo. Consider a green roof with living plants for added insulation and a touch of nature. Finally, protect your cob walls with natural plasters made from lime or earth. These plasters will also create a beautiful finished look. Building a tiny cob house is a rewarding journey. With dedication and a little cob magic, you can create a sustainable and unique haven to call your own. There are many resources available online and in workshops to help you on your cob building adventure. So get out there and start building your dream. If you like my video, click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell in order to receive all my new videos. For more information about cob houses, you may find at the links below at my description. See you soon, many blessings and love to you all.